Assalamualaikum guys, hope you're all well. I got a nice recipe for you again, Desi style Sarson Ka Saag, which is mustard leaves, mustard greens, and I'm going to get straight into it. Okay guys, I'm going to make a start and I'm going to need 1 cup of oil for this to start off. Bismillah. Okay, once the oil is heated up, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Bismillah. And 3 green chilies with slits in, whole chilies they are. Bismillah. Let it heat up in there, let them cook in there. I'm using the traditional pot again. I used it for the Lassi Wala Saag, but this is a different pot, a clay pot though. Again, and the dishes, like I said then, taste beautiful in these. Why? I don't know. If you get hold of one of these clay pots, really, you'll notice the difference in the taste. Okay, once you put the chilies in, I'm going to add 1 small onion, diced onion. Bismillah. You can use white onion if you want as well, but I've used red onion. You put more garlic and ginger in this than onions. Where the other dishes, you put more onions than the garlic and ginger. And you'll cook this until the onions are nice golden brown. Once the onions go nice golden brown, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic. That's just garlic there. And 2 tablespoons of ginger. Like I said earlier, this dish requires more ginger and garlic than onions. And you don't use red chili powder at all. Just put green chilies in. Once the ginger and garlic paste goes a nice golden brown, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt or salt to taste. Okay, and then I'm going to add 20 chilies chopped up fine. Green fresh chilies these are. This dish requires extra chilies in it because there's no chili powder like I said. And then add 1 tablespoon of dried coriander powder. Well, coriander seeds crushed up. Then give this a good mix and let it cook away for a bit. Once I added them green chilies in and the coriander, I've let it cook for about 3-4 minutes. And now I'm going to add the mustard leaves in, the Sarson Ka Saag in. I've boiled it and blended it fine. And then you got to give this a good mix now. Give it a good mix, so all that oil, the onions and the garlic paste is nicely mixed in with it. First time I'm using this clay pot. If you ever get one of these clay pots, fill it up with water, leave it overnight because the clay soaks the water in. If you use it straight away on a gas cooker or on any heat, it'll crack. So the best thing to do is just fill it up with water and let it soak the water in overnight. And once you've left it overnight, this pot full of water, get rid of that water and then boil some milk in it, and that'll soak the milk in it as well, you see. It makes the pot a bit stronger as well and cleans it up a bit, because it is clay. But I tell you, the dishes you make in a clay pot can't be beaten. Let it cook away. Keep on stirring it as well about, so everything's nicely mixed in. Beautiful, it smells awesome. Okay guys, I put the mustard, the saag in it's been about 10 minutes I've been cooking it. So I'm just going to add a bit of chili crush to it. So 1 tablespoon of chili crush. About a tablespoon of kasuri methi. Give that a good mix there. This dish, you gotta have loads of spices in it. It tastes better with the spices. It does taste nice with less spices, but when it's got extra chilies in it and it's nice and hot, it tastes a lot better. Tastes awesome. That's why I'm putting I put quite a lot of green chilies in it, chili crush in it. I'm going to add 1 cup of coriander into it now. Give that a good mix so the coriander is nicely mixed in now. Okay guys, I've been cooking this and stirring it and pressing it. Also being careful I don't break the clay pot. So it's gone a bit finer. I've turned it off now and I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to get the tadka ready. But this will keep warm, this will keep hot, not warm, hot, because the clay keeps the heat in, and this will keep on cooking for another 5 minutes while we do the tadka. Okay guys, so I'll put that to the side for a bit and I'm going to get the tadka ready. So for that I'm going to need 4 tablespoons of oil. Okay guys, once the oil is heated up, I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and about 7-8 dried chilies. This is for the tadka. And give this a mix then. And then I'm going to keep this on a low heat while this is getting done, and I'm going to put the Sarson Ka Saag in a pot ready for this tadka to pour over. Okay guys, I'm going to take it out and get it ready for the tadka. MashaAllah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, the garlic's going a slight goldy brown, but I'm going to get them a bit more browner than that. This is going to be piping hot, and then I'm going to pour it on top. And like I said before, this is called the tadka, which I've done a similar one to for the Lassi Wala Saag. And if you haven't watched the Lassi Wala Saag, I'll put a link in the description below. And please do watch that also. That was a beautiful dish also. Okay guys, I've turned that off and I'm going to pour it straight on. That covered for a few minutes. MashaAllah guys, the Sarson Wala Saag is ready and it's come out absolutely beautiful. Look at that. MashaAllah. It tastes absolutely beautiful, and now put that tadka over it, it's going to taste even better. And it's widely used throughout the world. They have it with paratha, roti. It's just an awesome dish. And it's so easy to do guys, Sarson Wala Saag. And guys, thanks for watching, and please do have a go. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Until next time, Assalamu Alaikum.